Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can exchange duplicate stickers in Monopoly Go. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open up your Monopoly Go application on your mobile device and make sure your account is logged in. After that, you will be redirected to the main home page where the game is basically played. Now on the home page, select the albums icon and you can see there are many stickers available here. To exchange duplicate stickers, simply tap on the vault icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. There will be three types of vaults present here. Select the one you can exchange based on your star count. There are different rewards based on the maximum star exchange rate, and that's it. This is how you can exchange duplicate stickers in Monopoly Go. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be video in the next one. See you soon. Bye.